In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find all your muted accounts and unmute them on Threads. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to see all the accounts that you muted on your Threads account, go and log into your Threads. And from here, head down to profile icon here. From there, now you should see we have these two lines. If you tap on them, go to content preferences here. Under this, you can see we have muted, and if you tap on this, you will see all the accounts that have been muted. To unmute any of them, just tap on unmute and they'll be removed from the muted list. Now, if you go back, you'll see that you are able to see content from those accounts that you were unable to see. However, if it is just an individual account that you already know, just go to the profile account and tap on these three lines, and you can see you can now unmute this individual account. So I'll confirm by unmuting it. So that's how you can find all muted accounts and unmute them on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.